Okay, welcome to the video. Check this out, folks. I am super excited. We're going to talk about a program, folks, that you can earn potentially 5 to 10K plus per month. 5 to 10K plus per month mailing this simple postcard. You can promote it on your social media. You can have business cards. You can run traffic. And I'm telling you, it is just absolutely on a rip to the upside. The supplement grid, folks, there's no cold calling, no chasing family and friends, no asking questions, no selling, no telling, no explaining, no advertising to figure out. Folks, we've got an advertising co-op. Greg has just got it organized, and we are bringing in people multiple times a day throughout the day. Folks, our team, we're going to build it. We're going to build it. And we're going to help you build your team when you plug in. We're going to help you. We've got the system. All you do to make big money with this program is just mail postcards. We have a conference call. We have a conference call every Monday and Wednesday. Monday and Wednesday night at 7 p.m. Eastern. www.gridzoommeeting.com. Get on this life-changing call. The owner of the program goes over it. James, he does an outstanding job. He gives a full presentation, and you can make an informed decision. And folks, we'll plug into the postcard program. When you join, I'm going to send you an email. Get your system set up, folks. Just takes a few minutes and start mailing postcards or running traffic. This is just one of our postcards. We have several to choose from. And folks, we got many ways to grow your business promoting these simple products. Can you make $10,000 a month? Income disclaimer, nothing happens if you take action, and you do a lot of it. But guys, this thing works. 5 to 10K or more per month as your team grows. This is exciting. This is residual passive income on steroids. Join our team today. Lock arms with us, and we're going to help grow your income. This time next year, you'll be glad that you did. I mean, we got people, again, coming in every single day. Jose's fired up. Greg's fired up. The team's fired up. I could not be more excited. Get started today. Hey, make sure you like this video. It will really help rank this video higher. Like the video. Consider subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you on the top of success. Have any questions for me, reach out to me. My information is in the comments below. And we'll see you at the top of success. And on the call. Make sure we get on the call Mondays and Wednesdays.